Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Franklin County in south-central Illinois, Perry County in south-central Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen in northeastern Perry County near Tamaroa and southeastern Franklin County east of West Frankfort. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area as additional thunderstorms train over the area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include West Frankfort, Benton, DuQuoin, Pinckneyville, Christopher, Rend Lake area, Setzer, Ziegler, Royalton, Valier, West City, Tamaroa, Willisville, Thompsonville, North City, Buckner, Cutler, Orient, Hannaford and Ewing. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin and Perry,